Omo tete players no. Edema Kenya.
Sudan,
Tanzania,
Ethiopia, Tanzania, South Africa.
Sisi Mozambique nyina ben.
No matter.
Rwanda.
I'm told, anapemitie or I'm told Mediama, one of their best players, is going to Togo.
Kofi Asma, their captain.
He's going to Togo.
ASKO Kara.
ASKO Kara. And as I'm talking to you, your car administration, club administration, football management, no Ghanaian club can match ASKO. No Ghanaian club can match ASKO. Big, no Ghanaian club can match ASKO Kara. And as we speak, no Ghanaian club can come closer to ASKO Kara. And to say that they now no. And by force, the Ghanaian clubs will be a breeding ground for those clubs in Nina. Because my general me person bisa me hon question. In fact, and then big game they say they started. They go send na me and then na me dey. E ko ba ni say dey ni see. Because big yeah, started show ball from mid 80s, ever early 90s, e ko pem maybe Nancy you know. It wasn't easy. Say a Ghanaian footballer ebe crosso akwa koduru your friend is saying any African country. Now only 2 countries and the team for Ghanaian players. Gabon and then Ivory Coast. And no crono now it was just some few Ivory Coast then it was Shamakwe and then your friend is saying Judebra.
Yeah.
That was 92. 91, 92.
Okay.
No more call ASEC. No more call African sports. And about Kubai and about Kokao and Nambuye. And then Gabon. When say Razak mu emrebi Olira man mu ekohon. But Tanzania, Egypt, Sudan. Like Obaya ka say Ghanaian player.
A money team cry.
Obaya ka say Ghanaian player. Satam na make no. Sudanese clubs, any Egyptian clubs, na say more than within African club competition. Because early la ya almost Sudan and I from say I la. That no money bobo. Ba asante ko struggle ansa no match omo. Enye say afa na omunim bobo, da be da no munim bobo. But ene Satama na ko ti Africa so no obi apese ohun ko ko na say house no. Na one a friend is Simba. Ana yakoka Yanga. Simba. Ana Yanga. And Ethiopian friend say Ethiopian coffees, right?
Yeah.
And then Goma here. So the fundamental is very weak. Very, very, very weak. Remember who when House of Folk couldn't pay your friend say Morrison 10,000 Ghana cedis a month.
Scanning
10,000 Ghana cedis a month. And then Morrison almost 400% of 10,000 Ghana cedis. And because I'm told that it's going to take around 45,000 Ghana cedis a month. It will go here. Kenya. And it's so surprising. Shall team here Umuji League. Samates. Most almost all their best players are off.
Say you do.
To those countries.
Yeah, call Rwanda.
Oko APR Rwanda.
Oko Rwanda.
Na Keke so Tanzania.
Keke no be was Tanzania.
Tanzania wa yako kana imora ako kana ho. The same team. Sindiga.
So I'm asking myself, what is wrong? Actually, DNS. enti and rich na make last week na make mo say Sergio Ramos ya okodoko for na free Spain abaga na mo anya careful obo season 1 season pe
because kabeba
no bobo say mun sign
bet 2 or 3 years na say 2 years almost sign bet 2 or 3 years no bet 1 year no obo full season obo ball na obo ye no na eni ban ho afei oba free transfer, that's what we have been told. Say oba free transfer. Oba free transfer. Oba here no. Let him be the bear $250,000 e ba no so. Ebia ye ka say ebia ko man $2,000 bosome ananya sa. Oba hey, let him e ko promise no. $5,000 bosome. Kodoko cannot sustain him.
Yeah.
Kodoko cannot sustain him. Nkofo menu ya omu free Sudan baye onwe 2 and 3
menu
omu 2
akwa na obo left ndo no wu na onim se we dey oya dey
is smart
sagodoko antiman say na permanent obo 1 season ni we team now free buy am den low ngodoko no so o team so need team permanent or be come back because team bi was Sudan na oba willing say oba den o man sika sen dey kodoko e dey man sisi
yeah.
And the Kodoko is going back as ground 1 and at ground 0. So people say, Jane Potty Nesi. Is it the Ghanaian clubs are so weak fundamental to the extent that Yentimi share normal yana? Di Maria, yes, or Kosovo. And I yes, sir.
Yeah.
So Okobo first team, so Okobo second team. Yeah, can say Obienim. Razak Kasim, right?
Yeah.
He's not playing for us of folk because Matisse also in a foreign contract.
So quite
Matisse say wakachire omo say deal be one.
Oh, yes, deal be.
Into foreign deal. Into omo man up to Sunday. Say no na go through there. Or then yes be ma had to.
But Biggie, can you nim say season in Nigeria all those players are rushing to play Haas and Kotoko. And it should have been so. I was saying, son, I was saying, twice. Then, Haas couldn't sign Danladi. As now, on problem when you're about 10 years, a goalkeeper. Danladi be available. Okay, Ethiopian coffees. Over any budget 20,000 Ghana cedis. I said, budget 30,000 Ghana cedis. Bosome. But Haas himself, signed 4 goalkeepers. No more be intimate match. Danladi quality. You haven't done anything. Because how far than lad, let's wait a good performance. Now, man, 20,000 Ghana cedis, Bosum Po. Now, a young reserve goalkeeper also enterprising. Now, obey and cover up. It should be enough. It should be enough. But then lad is gone. Keke has gone. Because me who the entire per her situation, me who the entire was any concern almost and Keke. It's like us and say Yabutuno.
That's a folk.
And wouldn't be. I'm from Vanchem. All the foreign players no Mubagana. Trace them and see whether no more clubs are. One trace someone hey, so more club.
Ghanaian class nina.
Ghanaian
Ghana.
One trace someone previous clubs.
Mente
senior patch said
baby you no buy no mun trace someone mun show mu previous club no more club or na
until like omo ba no more clubless.
Just check all of them
as in free agents and
then they could their contract were not even your friend is saying
a bit tifie
but omo ba no buy smaller goals e we league na ye bonus. Boy, ya ofri kodoko wa ko Morocco. You go for no contract end your money to man sign. Zeze.
Okay,
Zeze. Asak for terminating the contract. No wait na Ghana 92nd division sa na. Obenya opportunity e train wo kodoko. Afi no be star. No be star e kodoko. So is it your quality in the eba for manase because big imagine wa mentiasi. Because I can't tell you no. Na ye place enko bibi as a place in Africa because no mo bro mo so. En necessary mo ka friend say Mozambique mo nyina abam. Hey, serious.
Togo.
Rwanda. I'm telling you, the first time I met a Rwandan club, so Mubagana, time APR, Ebagana, Nomana Santoko, our boy, friends. It's a Confederation Cup. Omudi, your friends, Olivier Kerekezi, Moebai. Oh, Muyi Kotoko free. And some of national team neighbor. So, dear, a football no above from Sama. Your class in team to a place in a car. Play be a contract to and I say, we are, and up one big set of the other worrying issue. They say, Cake a for Anton, no contract to walk free. Some they could only be viewing freedom. And no money
contract this July anyway. Ending.
Omunim ni wompo. Boy, the economic letter say he's still the player. Knowing very well that you don't have control over him.
Almost common can I say, Quabe sign be 5-6 months been say, Omonia be cry.
Nipani Bobo and Emma, Nipano Bobo and Emma, starting from the second season. You see, our clubs are not proactive. Take a boy and Obo, my friend say, Samates. Now Obon Homody, Ubia say team almost age and answer. Aka 6 months, nan contact you. Assuming say Uchi and 2,000. 6 months and I can double the salary and I said triple and then cost 6,000. No say another 6 months and count, then you 1 year. To your body, you nanka kind of 6 months. And I say, your body, you nanka kind of 6 months because he a valuable player in the mouth. And count on $100,000 cry. 6 months now, a trip now, or triple on the salary, they cost 6,000. No. What on $100,000 cry, Uber Yamfaso. Omoka. So, men just say our way, but only the class administration, only the person will be our Ghana. Fans, pa, as no be our. Ye the pa like the behave, say. But offer best practices within the African continent. Added by just oppose with your club administration, both AD and A Ganzero. A yini now coin. Some apart from some just any other player now coin.
Dauda
apart from bones or non so. When you check bones or non so free transfer.
Dauda
statement
from the buy. No matter Dauda is the only player on my transfer. At the Nama club.
He's the only player. But Keke and Suko. So I just saying that
the Keke don't normally transfer. No.
Keke
common tone player.
So why are they lying? Knowing very well the contract, you don't have control over him. They don't have control over him, and I'm more control over him.
He's still their player.
They're still their player. The contract ends in July. And I guess, big player, no, you have control over him. Because 6 months sign a contract in over India, you still have control over him, but you also have the obligation to sign a contract with another club.
Yeah.
The league now, your boy, and so league now, boy, July now, boy, your boy, and I guess, so your boy league navy.
The contract got a 6 months,
and you are signed pre-contract agreement. So my junior clubs no money seriously and yadia me chance and then say a place in a man you for bedroom you local blast out. I am telling you yes.
Division 1 for Bebo.
I'm telling you local blast because good players no now. No call Tanzania, Ethiopia.
Sudan.
No but say nyadi say so sorry how you benya wo abetena.
Na me kasi ye benya but
say so obey the way and no say another issue.
Sure.